So as I have already washed my skin, the first product that I will use is a toner because it will hydrate my skin and it will make my pores shrink. So yeah, I just spritz it and dab it around. Next I'll take a cream that is from the same range of Good Vibes, that is green tea. Yeah, I was listening to music and so I was dancing. Yeah, so cream is really important to prep your skin for the makeup that you're going to do. Okay, for that extra glow, you can add any serum that you have or any facial oil, and it's nothing like that कि oily skin पे आप facial oil नहीं लगा सकते. मैं तो लगाती हूँ and it works completely okay for me. Not okay even, very good. And for primer, again I used a primer that is oil based. I love this one from Stay Quirky. It's really like affordable and works very good. I warm it up in my fingers and just dab it around. You can see how I'm applying it because it adds perfect glow. And for foundation, then again I'm taking a illuminating one from LA Girl Pro because this is a hydrating foundation. This will provide more glow to your face. So basically I just apply it all over my skin and just dab it. Don't drag your foundation, just dab it all the time. For concealer, I'm taking this one from Nykaa and I mix this two shade because the other pan that is actually my shade is over. So मैं इसको brush से I spread it out and then with the help of beauty blender I blend it out. You can apply your concealer in two ways. Like there are two types actually. One is highlighting and another one is just applying the shade that actually matches you. I'm in between. मेरा दोनों से काम हो जाता है actually वो दोनों shade mix करके. तो इफ़ यू वांट अ डिटेल वीडियो जस्ट लेट मी नो. और या मैं पहले बाहर का जितना भी कंसीलर होता है पहले वो मिक्स करती हूँ, लाइक ब्लेंड आउट. और कभी भी अपने कंसीलर को ड्रैग मत करना, हमेशा पैट करके डैब डैब करके मिक्स करना. सो इट विल बी फ्लॉलेस. एंड देन आई विल बी सेटिंग. इट्स एक्चुअली बेकिंग, तो उसके लिए मैं मेबेलिन का ये प्रोडक्ट यूज़ कर रही हूँ just under my eyes. And for the rest of the face I'll use a compact. Now you see how flat my face looks. We'll add dimension, so I will be contouring my face and that will be only in the hollow of my cheekbones and then on my jawline, just to cancel out those double chin I have. So basically what I do, I just put on a line first and just blend it out upwards so that my face looks a bit of lifted, थोड़ा सा लगे कि हाँ मेरे my face structure is a bit lifted. Then also I don't ignore my forehead because I have a huge forehead. If you have smaller one you can just skip it. And also if you have big nose like me, जिसका आगे का पार्ट बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा है, you can also contour it with very light hand. हम अपने गालों को थोड़ा रेड करेंगे. एक्चुअली नेक्स्ट हम ब्लश लगाएंगे. सो when you are applying, just smile, fake smile and just apply it on the apples of your cheek. मैं तो उसको contour के साथ blend कर देती हूँ so that it looks a bit natural. And also don't ignore your nose if you want that Kareena Kapoor vibes with red nose. It looks really pretty. Then just dust off all the powder that is there and then I do my eyebrows quickly. जल्दी कर लेते हैं. ये ट्रांजिशन म्यूज़िक काफ़ी अच्छा था, मुझे पता है. तो बाकी का फेस आई विल सेट इट अप, लाइक आई विल सेट इट इन एक्चुअली विद द टोनर एंड then I'll take the beauty blender and try to just dab it around. It will soak all the extra powders that is there and then I do my eye makeup quickly with 1 2 3 whoop and it's done. Now we'll apply highlighter to add that glow back. And yeah, just highlight your higher points of your face, whichever you like. And see, मेरा वॉइस ओवर्स आर वेरी रैंडम. कभी मैंने स्क्रिप्ट करके नहीं रखा होता है तो बीच में और हिंदी और इंग्लिश मिक्सड हो जाता है. ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे दोनों नहीं आता है, बट देन प्लीज़ नो हेट. देन विल अप्लाई लिपस्टिक एंड 1 2 3 whoop, we are done. For the last time I will be using the toner as setting spray because I think it works as fine as a setting spray, but you can use a setting spray. So we are done. So voila, we are done with the look. This is how I achieve my glowy perfect base makeup. And yeah, see, I tend to crease a lot under my eye because I have fine lines because of not sleeping puri raat bhar. Anyways, so I hope you guys like this video and this was helpful. या थोड़ा ज़ूम आउट कर लेते हैं, काफ़ी ज़्यादा ज़ूम इन हो गया है। तो अगर आपको ये अच्छा लगा हो तो इस वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा और बेल नोटिफिकेशन भी दे ही दीजिएगा प्लीज़। और मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट टाइम। बाय बाय।